Are you new into DevOps and cloud, or already learning it but still struggling with AWS? Then this video is for you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel AIOps with Unnati, and if you are new into DevOps, AI and cloud world, then make sure subscribe my channel and follow along with me. I am here to help you. Here I will clear all your doubts. Just comment down all your doubts in the comment section. Mostly people make one mistake. They keep watching tutorials, taking notes, but when it comes to real work, they get stuck. Because they never actually build anything. In DevOps and cloud, you don't get paid for what you watch. You get paid for what you build and fix it. So instead of just consuming content, and you need a platform where you actually practice, and that's where AWS Builder comes in. So let's see how we can connect with AWS Community Builder. You just need to come over any browser and type AWS Community Builder. Once you type it and hit enter, you can see this second option, AWS Community Builders. I will click on this option, and here's the option to join the waitlist. So I click on this, and once you log in there, then you are able to connect with the people globally and work on the projects with them. And after that, if you are new in the AWS, then there's an option in the home. If you click once home, then here you can join the community. And if you are new into AWS, then you can click on the learn, and here you can learn with AWS. There's a developer essentials like onboard to AWS, then decision guide, serverless, developer tools. There's a lot of options is there. After that, start learning here. If you're totally new here, you can getting started with AWS. There's a concepts hub, learning plans is also there, tutorials, AWS educate, and shared responsibility model. And there's a special thing is, if you are planning to prepare for a particular role in the IT world, then there's options for that also. So you have to come here, learning why role or solutions. So if you are preparing for solution architect, you are already working as a DevOps engineer, DevOps architect, and you want to work as a solution architect, then you can follow this path. And cloud practitioner is there, developer is there, DevOps engineer is there, machine learning, artificial intelligence, operations. So all these options is there. If you want to follow with solution, then there's an option artificial intelligence, data analytics, security, databases, advanced networking. So basically, this is the best platform to learn AWS from beginner to advanced level. Now, if I come back to there's options to build also, like capabilities, toolbox is there, workshops is there. So you can connect with this also. Like there's options easily plan and validate. So there's a way to learn the activities also, like how you can add one or multiple AWS regions to view and compare available products. So there's a way of learning this also. There's events. If you want to connect the events, upcoming events of AWS, you can join that events also. Community builders, user groups is option there. You can community builder, join user group, and you can start your user group also. Support articles is also there. If you want to support in the articles, then you can explore AWS support this articles and support officially. So you can make your own profile on this. So yeah, this is basically a best platform for the people which are struggling to learn AWS, or which want to start learning AWS. This is how real engineering grows, not by just memorizing the services, but building or solving the real life problems. If you want more into this field, this is the mindset you need. Less watching, more building. Watching tutorials makes you feel productive, but building makes you skilled. In the next video, I will build a real AWS project using this platform, so make sure subscribe and follow this series. See you in the next one, AIOps with Unnati. And yes, don't forget to mention your doubts in the comment section.